Alright, so this is gonna be how a Z650 beats a shitty MT-09. Just joking, I'm joking. Relax, buddy. Oh shit. Oh yeah. The 900. Oh, he's gonna follow us. Looks like fucking rain out here, buddy. I've also been seeing a lot of like target fixation videos too, bro. Like, brother. Like target fixation videos where people on like the easiest fucking turn in the universe too. Yeah. You flashing your tail fin at me. That's a dog. Yeah, dude, rich communities, man, they could, if they want cops on this street, there's gonna be cops on this street. Woo! Woo! Snap, crackle, and pop. Oh. Holy shit! Those kids are like, what the fuck? I thought that was you, dude. It sounded exactly like your bike. Oh shit, yeah! Oh, fuck that turn. I ain't doing it on that turn. I remember the first time. Oh, it's spider. Ah! Guy's gonna kill me. Horses. Oh shit, that's majestic horsey. That's a big old horsey. I feel like I hear someone's popping. Is that his? What does he got? Does he have a Kropovich or Yosh? Really?
Yeah. Skid it. I'm probably take a wreck, so hey, Sherry, I'm coming. Skid it.
It's lit. Just take a look at the drip. You boys don't get fired in this. Roll a dope, yeah, I'm high as a bitch. Wait, it's lit. Get that little bitch a little tip. Now she wanna suck on the dick. She wanna catch all of the drip, drip, drip. Pull up and I'm loading the clip. New bitch, yeah, stay on my hip. Niggas talking, they not with this shit. Catch a body, you might just get hit. But lately been all about drip. New designer, just look at the fit. And I just blew a bag on my bitch. You got clout, but you don't got the drip. You get money, that's some type of myth. I can blind you, bitch, look at the wrist. For that bag, and I might take a risk. Don't get crushed, cause you care about a bitch. Pass the Henny, I'm tryna get lit. Tryna get out my body and shit. Fuck around and start bodying shit. Remember nights we was starving and shit. You my brother, I got you.
The aftermath. A little bit of bugs.